G'day guys! If you're familiar with Minecraft, then chances are you've heard of Skyblock. Skyblock is basically a challenge map where you start off on a tiny island floating above the void, as you can see here, and you have very limited resources. There are a ton of different versions of Minecraft Skyblock, but today we'll just be taking a look at one of them that I thought was quite neat that runs really well on the R36S. We'll assume you already have the Minecraft Java Edition port installed and working on your device, specifically version 1.7.10. If you don't already have it installed, I will link an install guide down in the description below. Before we take a look at this specific custom Skyblock map, let's quickly move over to our Windows 11 PC and go over how to download and copy it over. Let's get into it. So we're over on our Windows 11 PC now, and to get started we've just opened up Google Chrome and gone to this specific Minecraft Skyblock download page, which I will link down in the description below. From here, we'll just scroll down a little bit, and we want to click on the big button that says Download Minecraft Map. We have to wait 5 seconds on this page, and then finally click on Continue to download. It should download it directly. It's not very big as you can see, only around 2 meg. Once it's finished downloading, we can close off Chrome and open up our Downloads folder. Inside we should have our compressed Skyblock map. We just want to extract it, so right click on it. You can use Windows built-in archiver, so clicking extract all, but I always like to use 7-zip, so go down to show more options, 7-zip, and extract to. We want to open up the folder that was just extracted. Inside we should have 2 folders. One's an empty macOS folder, and the other is the Skyblock map itself. We want to click on the Skyblock folder, and press Ctrl-C to copy it. Next, we'll insert the SD card from our R36S. We want to go down to the EasyROMs partition, go all the way down to ports, open up the Minecraft Java folder, open up the .minecraft folder at the top, and finally open up the saves folder. This is where all of your worlds are stored. In here, we just want to paste our Skyblock map, Ctrl-V. That's pretty much it. We can safely eject our SD card and move back over to our R36S. We're back on our R36S now, and we've just opened up the Minecraft Java Edition port. Now on this page, we want to make sure we select version 1.7.10, since that's what the Minecraft map was made for. And then from here, we want to go single player, and finally load our Skyblock 2.1 map. Just select it and click Play Selected World. The first time you open it, it will say Converting World. This only takes around 10 to 20 seconds, so just be patient. And it should eventually load you into Skyblock. We won't go over how to play the Skyblock map itself too much, since that is part of the challenge. But if we take a look at our chest, you can see we start with 2 items, ice and lava. If we take a look around the map, you can see it's very small, a tiny little island, and there's a big tree here. It's worth noting that you must be very careful on here, since if you do fall into the void, like this, wait, there we go, we've landed, so we have game overed. If you go respawn, you don't actually start the level again properly, you do start falling into the void once again. So if you fall once, it's pretty much map over. We go title screen, and we can load it again. But unfortunately, the exact same thing happens. It keeps spawning us just above the void. For this reason, it might be worth copying the Skyblock save file a few times and renaming it on the device itself, just so you don't have to keep copying the same file over again and again every time you fall. Overall, while this specific Skyblock map is not exactly the same as the more popular Skyblock maps you may have seen in the past, it's still a lot of fun and a great little challenge for anyone that enjoys playing Minecraft on their R36S. I think that'll do it for today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.